Continuing from the previous part, this part will go into more depth about the next types of engines. The next collection of engines and machines introduced will show us the great development of mechanical engineering. From the steam engine and the original stationary engine, to the diesel engine and the powerful V8 car engine. The Steamroller Voland Senior, built in 1931, is a heavy 10-ton steam-powered road roller made by the Danish manufacturer Voland. It was widely used for compacting road surfaces, relying on a coal-fired boiler to generate steam pressure that powered its large steel rollers. This machine symbolizes the final stage of steam technology before the full transition to internal combustion. Its durability and smooth operation made it a key tool in infrastructure development during the interwar years. The FF45HP engine, rated at 990 RPM and produced in 1951, represents a post-war generation of small internal combustion engines used for agricultural or workshop purposes. Compact yet reliable, it could drive pumps, mills, or generators. The simple carburetor system and air-cooled design made maintenance easy, allowing rural users to benefit from mechanized labor at a time when electricity was not yet widespread. Bang! The Dallay engine, though smaller in size, was also built for stationary use, often powering small machinery or farm tools. Dallay, a European manufacturer, specialized in robust and efficient single-cylinder engines. Their simplicity and longevity made them valuable assets for craftsmen and farmers in mid-20th century Europe. Another notable example is the Stover engine, a 3 HP unit running at 575 RPM. Produced by Stover Manufacturing and Engine Company of Illinois, USA, this type of stationary engine was widely exported in the early 1900s. Operating on gasoline or kerosene, it was used to drive generators, saws, and feed grinders. Stover engines became famous for their hit-and-miss governing system, which controlled fuel supply to maintain consistent speed while conserving fuel. The Compressor 1550 RPN 1964 marks a shift toward industrial equipment driven by electric motors or internal combustion engines. Compressors of this era were essential in manufacturing and construction, supplying pressurized air for tools, painting, and cleaning systems. The high rotational speed reflects efficiency improvements in mechanical and valve design during the 1960s. The Blackstone engine, rated at 14 HP and weighing about 2 tons, was manufactured in England around 1930. Blackstone and Company was known for producing agricultural machinery and stationary diesel engines. This particular model, with its slow-running diesel operation, provided reliable torque for threshers, mills, or pumps. Its 2-ton mass contributed to stability during operation, while its cast iron construction ensured decades of service. Another Deutz F6L912 represents a much later generation of air-cooled diesel engines. This 6-cylinder model, widely used in trucks, construction machinery, and generators, exemplifies reliability and simplicity. Its direct fuel injection and durable aluminum cooling fins ensured consistent performance under tough conditions, earning Deutz a lasting reputation worldwide. A generator is also part of this collection, likely coupled to one of the smaller diesel engines such as the Stover or Deutz. Generators transformed mechanical energy into electricity, allowing remote operations and supporting farm or factory machinery in off-grid environments. Another industrial relic is the Briquette Press from the 1940s, weighing 2.5 tons and made in Denmark. It compressed sawdust, coal dust, or other biomass into solid briquettes for fuel use. Driven by an electric or diesel engine, this machine was vital during the wartime fuel shortage period, demonstrating practical innovation in renewable energy sources long before the modern sustainability movement. Among the diesel-powered machines, Deutz occupies a central position. The Deutz 6HP Engine 700 RPM Germany 1928 is a fine example of early German engineering excellence. Built by NA Auto and CIE, the pioneer of the four-stroke cycle, this compact diesel engine was used in workshops and small factories. Its efficient fuel combustion and simple lubrication system made it one of the most successful models of its time. Together, these machines, from the gentle rhythm of early stationary engines to the roar of modern V8s, trace a century of progress in mechanical and power engineering. They embody the evolution of human ingenuity, where craftsmanship, innovation, and technology converge to transform motion, energy, and industry. The Chevrolet 348 Tri-Power, produced from 1958 to 1961, was a high-performance version of the 348 cubic-inch V8 engine. It featured the super turbo thrust setup with 3 Rochester 2-barrel carburetors, earning the name Tri-Power. This design significantly boosted horsepower and torque, allowing the engine to produce up to 315 horsepower. Part of Chevrolet's W Series, the 348 was notable for its distinctive W-shaped cylinder heads and scalloped valve covers. Initially designed for trucks, it became a popular option in cars like the Impala, serving as both a street performance powerhouse and the foundation for the legendary 409 engine. The 1969 Chevy Nova gains a remarkable transformation with the installation of a 502 big block V8 engine, paired with an 8-71 supercharger. This high-performance combination delivers extreme power, making the Nova a true drag strip contender and an aggressive street machine. The foundation is the massive 8.2-liter big block, built with a cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, and durable connecting rods, ensuring strength to handle enormous stress. Mounted on top is the 8-71 supercharger, a positive displacement blower that forces a large volume of air into the cylinders. This setup, with the help of a dedicated blower intake manifold, allows the engine to breathe more efficiently, dramatically boosting horsepower and torque. In fact, Motor Trend reports that similar builds can produce over 900 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque on the dyno. Such immense output requires a reinforced chassis, upgraded drivetrain, and improved cooling system, as the demands of this engine exceed standard street use. Ideal for drag racing, competition pulling, or extreme performance applications, the 502 big block with 8-71 blower transforms the 69 Nova into an icon of raw muscle power, combining classic design with modern, supercharged performance. The 426 Hemi is one of Mopar's most legendary big block V8 engines, celebrated for its hemispherical combustion chamber design. This unique feature allowed the use of oversized valves, 2.25-inch intake, and 1.94-inch exhaust, resulting in improved airflow and more efficient combustion. Originally introduced in 1964 for racing and later released as the Street Hemi in 1966, it became a cornerstone of the American muscle car era. Officially rated at 425 horsepower and 490 pound-feet of torque, enthusiasts widely believe its real output was even higher. With its rugged cast-iron block and heavy-duty components, the 426 Hemi delivered unmatched durability and track dominance. The Deutz BF6L913 is a robust six-cylinder, inline, air-cooled diesel engine equipped with turbocharging for enhanced power and torque. Renowned for its durability and fuel efficiency, it is widely applied in industrial and agricultural machinery. Its air-cooled system reduces complexity while ensuring reliable operation, even in harsh conditions. Delivering high torque at low speeds, the BF6L913 provides strong performance with a compact, modular design that simplifies maintenance, making it a trusted choice for demanding applications.